Hey, welcome back to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you'd purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today we're going to be looking at this Rolex Datejust 36. This one with the brand new mint green color dial for 2022. And it has an 18 karat white gold fluted bezel and a Jubilee bracelet. Model reference number for this watch is 126234. The retail price on this watch as of 2022 is $8,750 US. I'll be going over the aspects of this watch: the case, the bezel, the dial, crown functions, as well as the movement and the strap. And also I'll give some of my thoughts on the watch throughout the review. The Rolex Datejust 36 is a 36mm from my thumb to my pointer finger here on the case. This is a full size for most guys. This case is rated to 100 meters or 330 feet of water resistance, so you can wear this watch in a pool. It can hold up just fine. Now you're not going to go diving with it though. The case is made of 904L stainless steel that's corrosion resistant and makes for a good polish. You can see the sides of the case and the tops of the lugs holding the bracelet. They have a high polish mirror on them. Let's try it on for size. Wearing this on my wrist. I have a 6 3/4 inch wrist, and this watch fits me just fine. You can see the bracelet from the top. Looks great. I don't have it sized, but this watch would fit me, and it has a very comfortable Jubilee bracelet on it. That white gold fluted bezel really puts a lot of shine on this watch too. I like it. So going on in the bezel, this bezel is crafted in 18 karat white gold. Makes it instantly recognizable as a Rolex. This bezel is a $1,250 upgrade from the stainless steel smooth bezel. And if you want to upgrade to a diamond bezel, that would add an extra $6,800 US from this model. Now, I think the best bang for your buck is the fluted bezel on this watch though. Going on the dial, we're looking at this new for 2022 beautiful mint green color dial with index hour markers. It has a sunburst dial radiating from the center of the dial. And green dials, they have been very popular lately, and Rolex introduced this dial and another fluted dial this year. I'm sure they're going to be in high demand going forward. Blue dial watches are taking a back seat for now. This watch also has sword-shaped hour and minute hands that have chroma light lume applied on them, along with the index hour markers going around the dial. Let's go ahead and take a look at this watch in the low light conditions, see what it looks like in the dark. And there you have it. Really easy to read. You have that chroma light blue color lume that's on this dial. Gives it a sporty look. So that blue lume you're looking at, that's chroma light blue lume. It's a super nice color and it's really bright and easy to see. Now going on to the date window here at the 3 o'clock position under the Cyclops lens, this magnifies the window about 2.5 times its original size for easy viewing. Now the movement that runs this beautiful watch is a caliber 3235. It has the hour, minute, center seconds, and a date function. The power reserve on this movement is 70 hours, so you can set the watch down on a Friday night, pick it back up on a Monday morning, it will still be keeping time. The watch does have a self-winding movement as well, a rotor that self-winds the watch as you wear it. This movement is a workhorse for the bulk of Rolex's men's watches, and it's based on the 3255 day date 40. It's a very reliable movement and provides features that you want on a daily wear watch. Now going on in the bracelet that holds this watch, we're looking at a stainless steel Jubilee bracelet with a half polish. High polish on the center links and satin finish on the outer links. The folding oyster clasp deployment buckle here opens and closes up the bracelet. Easy to open and easy to close. And if you notice down here underneath the buckle, there has an easy link 5mm extension underneath. Get that. focus there. So if I just pull this down, I should be able to actually unlock that Easy Link feature, and it opens up the bracelet at another 5 millimeters. So if you get hot and your wrist swells up, then you can actually deploy this Easy Link feature, and it should loosen up your watch so it doesn't strangle your wrist. Now, as far as what I think about this watch, overall, this watch is a watch that most people are going to like, especially with the green dial. It's very popular these days. Now, it's going to be a really good daily wear watch as well. The reason why it's perfect is a 36 millimeter case. It's easy to wear. It has a fluted bezel and a Jubilee bracelet, and it lights it up really well. Now, if you want to know where to get this watch, we have it on our website at jazztime.com. The model reference number again is 126234. This is the Rolex Datejust 36 millimeter with a mint green dial, with index markers, an 18 karat fluted white gold fluted bezel, and a Jubilee bracelet. Again, we're an online store, so you can visit us in the comfort of your own home. Go to jazztime.com. Thank you for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.